Platform 1 for the 12:15 Arriva Trains Wales service to Swansea. Calling at Colwyn Bay, Abergele and Pensam, Rhyl, Prestatyn, Flint, Shotton, Chester, Wrexham General, Rhuaben, Chirk, Gabowen, Shrewsbury, Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leicester, Hereford, Abergavenny, Pontypool and New Inn, Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Central, Pontyclun, Pencoed, Bridgend, Pyle, Port Talbot Parkway, Baglan, Britton Ferry, Neath, Skewen, Llansamlet and Swansea. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 1 for the 12:15 Arriva Trains Wales service to Swansea.